Hi, I'm Martin from Dent and I specialise in paintless dent repair, also known as PDR. Today I have a before and after video of a dent I previously fixed using PDR. If you want to know how this dent turned out, keep watching me fix this dent until the end and I hope you enjoy it. So let's get stuck in. Okay folks, here we have a 7-inch creased dent which was caused by another vehicle reversing in to the driver's side door of this Volkswagen Golf 2016. You will see some night scratches there, and I re-informed the customer that these scratches should buff out, no problem. At this stage of repair I had the bulk of it already removed, and as you can see there, I'm now just trying heating the panel up a bit for more glue pulling, which you'll see me do now coming up soon. I did not go down through the door at all from above. There just wasn't much access, so I decided to remove all of this dent by glue pulling and tapping down. This dent was basically fixed within the same day. It just took about maybe 4 to 5 hours. Glue pulling here in Ireland this time of year can be a little slow. The weather, the temperature can affect the glue. For the rest of this video, I'm going to speed it up. Not to bore you too much, and if you stick around you'll see the end results, so enjoy the rest of it. And here we have the final result of this dent. You can obviously see that the crease is not there anymore, and I'm not afraid to show you the final result. One thing, if you're looking for a PDR tech, always look at their before and afters, and that's a good indication of how good of a job that they can do for you. As you can see, I was able to fix this dent using paintless dent repair. As a result, the customer was very happy that I was able to save the original factory paint finish. If you see a dent and you would like an estimate, you can contact me on 086 397 0383. You can also visit my website dentoil.ie. There you will find more information about me and PDR. Don't forget to like and share this video, and of course, thank you for watching.